Hey friends, on today's recipe, I'm sharing this healthy and refreshing breakfast smoothie. For this recipe, I used half cup of raspberries, half cup of plain Greek yogurt, half scoop of vanilla protein powder, half cup of coconut water, half teaspoon of chia seeds that I used in garnishing, ice cubes, which is optional. All I did was just to combine all the ingredients in my blender, blend it smoothly, and once it is smooth, you pour it into your glass, garnish with the chia seeds, and serve very chilled. You can also let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes if you want the chia seeds to soften slightly. This recipe is light, it is protein rich, and it is packed with antioxidants and omega-3s, and it's all under 200 calories. I do hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll definitely see you on the next one. Goodbye.